Refer to the figure shown. What is the maximum ordinate of the reaction at A? What is the maximum ordinate of the influence line for shear at O? What is the maximum ordinate of the influence line for moment at O? This is about influence line. Lagyan natin yung forces. Of course, the reaction here are just vertical, na? Even that, let's say, moving load tayo. 1 unit load. So, madali lang yung influence line for the reaction at A. Una, kung dadaan yung load dito, kung andito yung load na 1.0 unit load, so yung reaction at A is 1. And that will be linear. As the unit load moves towards the other end, palit ng palit yung ating reaction at A. Magiging ganito yan. So, yung maximum ordinate for part 1 is 1. What is the maximum ordinate of the influence line of the shear at pole? So, drawing naman natin yung influence line of the shear at pole. So, yung O is here. Ito lang yung magiging formula dyan. Una, bababa ka talaga. From the other end, bababa ka dito. And that is negative A over L. Then after this, aangat ka. And that the ordinate here is B over L. Ganon yan parate. And this will be the influence line. Ganon yan basta shear. Alright, what is A and B? What is L? Ito yung A natin. Ito yung B natin. Ito naman yung L, total length. Alright, so A is 4 over L, which is 24. Then P over L is negative 0.167. Yung B naman is 20. L is 24. So it is 0.83. So the answer is 0.83. Maximum ordinate of the moment. Influence line for the moment at O. Ito yung formula parate. Moment at O. Ito yan. Parati yang nasa taas. AB over L, our formula. A or B is 20, then is 24. And this will be connected again by straight line. Parating ganyan niya. So, 4 times 20 AB, L is 24. The answer is 3.333.